Hello! If you've ever struggled to French braid your own hair, I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. This video is in partnership with Luxy Hair, and before we get into today's hairstyle, I want to show you their new Coastal Blonde collection and install the shade that matches my hair best to add volume and dimension to our braid. First, we have Dimensional Rooted Platinum Pearl Blonde. This shade features a root smudge and is perfect if you love a brighter blonde and want to add more depth. Next is Dimensional Buttery Champagne Blonde with that soft root melt, followed by Dimensional Light Golden Blonde, also with that root melt. And finally, Dimensional Caramel Honey Blonde, which is my perfect match. I love how it adds that sun-kissed dimension to my hair like I had when I was younger. See these shorter pieces at my neck? This is why I always install my first weft upside down. It helps cover those short layers and creates a much more seamless blend. From there, I work my way up, placing each weft about an inch apart, starting with the 3s, then the 4s. And for the sides, I like to place the 2-clip wefts on a slight diagonal to help blend naturally around the face, placing the single clips behind my ears to hide any layers. Immediately, you can see that added length, volume, and dimension, and I love how natural and sun-kissed it looks in my hair. I'll have everything linked in the description below, along with a discount code for you. Now, for the French braid without French braiding. Begin by gathering the hair at the top of your head and create a simple 3-strand braid by crossing your outside sections over the middle. Now, the tighter you braid, the more detailed your finished braid will look, but a looser braid works beautifully too, and it's a little quicker. Continue braiding until you reach the nape of your neck, then secure with a hair elastic. And now for the fun part, weaving. Start on the right side and section off about 1 inch of hair directly below your top section. Now look at the very top loop on the right side of your braid. Slide your index finger underneath that braided section and through to the other side. Grab your section that you'd created and pull it all the way through your braid. Now repeat on the left side. So find the top loop on the left side of your braid, slide your finger underneath and through the existing opening, grab your section and pull it all the way through. Continue alternating from right to left all the way down the braid. And don't worry about being too delicate here. The braid is very secure. Once you've reached the nape of your neck, divide the remaining hair into 3 sections and create a regular 3-strand braid all the way down to your ends and secure with an elastic. Now, to really enhance that French braid effect, gently pinch and pull along the edges of your braid, and this will soften the look and creates that beautiful lived-in fullness. I really hope you liked today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.